So, ang dami kong inquiries ngayon about our video tungkol sa 5 or 12K monthly down payment for a studio unit sa project natin sa Amaya Skies, Cubao. Quick explanation lang, paano makuha yung promo na to and until when siya available. Okay, let's talk about your option. No? So, option 1, you can do spot 10 down payment. That's around 5K monthly, like I said. Option 2 naman, you can do no spot DP, and that will be around 12K monthly. But take note, available lang tong term na to until May 31. And to be safe, better reserve your unit on or before May 30 kasi syempre may mga process pa tayong kailangan gawin. Now, ang tanong, anong mangyayari pag hindi nakapag-reserve ng unit before the deadline? Ito possibility, babalik siya sa original term na 36 months or 3 years. Ngayon kasi, naka-promo tayo na 5 years yan or 60 months. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Yung instead na 5K monthly, magiging nasa almost 9K yan. Yung 12K naman monthly, magiging almost 20K yan. So, medyo napakalaki ng difference. Now, eto pa. This project is currently on an early move-in promo. Ibig sabihin, kahit na nagbabayad ka pa ng monthly, possible na ma-turnover na yung unit mo by April 2028. Now, if gusto mo ng full computation or sample breakdown or even a complete presentation online or maybe sa site natin, message me para matulungan kita.